Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Zulkifli. My student ID is 2023 690614, and today I will explain about my lab 3 for CSC557. Starting with by explaining the codes in the activity order.sml. Firstly, we have the order block that will display the order chosen from the main menu. Then we have the name block that will display the name label and a section for user to input their name. And then we have the address block for display the address label and a section for user to insert their address. And then we have the phone block. Same again, it will display the phone label and display a section for user to input their phone. But here we use the Android input type phone to make sure that the inserted input will be just numbers instead of alphabets. Then we have the note block. Here it will display again the note label and a section for user to insert their note. Then we have the delivery block. Here it will display the delivery message. Then it will show three different options by using radio buttons for the user to choose any one of them. And finally, we have the phone spinner located right next to the phone section. Here, the phone spinner is used for the user to label which of their phone types are used in this form, whether it is from home, from work, from mobile or others. And now I will show the demo for the app. When we run the app, it will show the main menu that will display three different items for the user to choose. Each item will display different specific message based on what item we choose. For example, if the user tap on donut, it will display a message that the user have ordered a donut. Or if we tap on the ice cream sandwich, same again, will display the ordered ice cream sandwich. Then if we tap on froyo, it will display that the user have ordered the froyo. Next, the user will have to tap on the floating card button down here. It will open a form for user to input the information. We starting from the top. Firstly, the app will display what type of the item we choose earlier from the main menu. Then it will display a section for user to input their name. For example, put my name here. Then a section for user to input their address. Next, we have the section for the user to input their phone number. Here, by using the Android input type phone, the app will display only the numbers for user to input their phone numbers. And right next to the phone number section, we have a spinner that will display four different options. These options is used for user to label what type of phone number that they input in this form. For example, if the user want to input a work phone number, then the user will have to tap on the work, and the app will display what type of phone number that we choose based on the spinner layer. For example, if we put mobile, we display the mobile, or if we put if we tap the order, then it will display the other. Okay, next we have the note. Note is anything that the user wants to send a message to the cafe. And then we have a set of radio buttons. Choose a delivery method. Same again here. If the user tap on any one of the options, for example pick up, it will display a message based on the options that we choose from the radio buttons. Again, if we choose the next day ground delivery, it will display the next day ground delivery, or if you tap same day messenger service, it will display same day messenger service. Okay, and that's how the apps work properly in when running. That's all from me. Thank you.